Now, before we get started, this is not a substitute for the printed fitting instructions, and is mandatory that the fitting instructions are read thoroughly several times before going any further. This video is only a general how to assemble and install the side boat loader. Each fitment will differ slightly. To install the front gunnel stop, first slide the gunnel stop into place on the front top sliding crossbar. Go to the front of the vehicle and check that the boat is centred on the vehicle. Punch, drill and rivet the gunnel stop into place.